Hi friends, we discussed present indefinite in our previous class. I told you present indefinite is to be written by using verb first form only, but we have to be a little careful while using for third person singular, so we should add yes or es at the end of verb first form. And we have to use for habitual general actions, and just before whatever the things we want to do, we can use it. Now let us take up present continuous. In present continuous, we have to use am or is or. Am, is, or, any one of these three. And with any one of these three, you have to use ing form, and then object comes. This is the structure. Am is for only I, is for singulars except I. U is considered as plural only because it is used as a singular as well as plural, and R is for plurals. Am is used only for I, is for singulars, R is for plurals. We have the habit of using ing form without this also. I reading, they playing, it won't be correct. I am reading, they playing won't be, they are playing. She coming won't be, she is coming. So in this way, either am, is, or are is to be used. For example, I am speaking to you. I am speaking to you, not with. In Telugu we say, in such a way we should not translate into English. I am speaking to you. We are talking. You are listening. He is singular, so is. He is eating fruit. She is learning. Dance. In this way, we have to use am, is, are. Am is for I, are is for plural, and is for singular. Ing form is to be used after using am, is, are. This is about present continuous structure. When do we use? We use present continuous for the actions continuing now. For the actions continuing now. What are the actions continuing now? We can use this structure. I am talking to you. I started talking and you are listening now. You started listening. Then you have to say, we are listening. I have to say, I am explaining something. A boy started playing there. A boy is playing. In this way, we have to use is, am, or ing form for the actions continuing now. It means the work started and the work is going on. Then another use is there. For special, occasional actions. What are the special occasional actions? Whatever the things we do every day are usual, habitual. Different to usual and habitual, special or occasional. Every day I sleep at 10 o'clock. That is habitual. That is why I use every day I sleep at 10 o'clock. Today I happen to talk to the others. It's delayed. So today I am sleeping. We cannot say today I sleep. Every day I sleep at 10 o'clock. Today I am sleeping at 11. Every day we go to temple, but today we are going to attend a function. Every day I take a cup of tea. Today I am taking a cup of milk. So what is out of routine, what is not habitual, for that we can use present continuous tense. In our next class, we will learn present perfect. Have a nice day. Thank you.